You built into the vehicle? Or a slut?
No, it's actually a 2-piece box.
Oh, okay.
He designed it.
Okay.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Okay.
So he designed the box, all the dimensions and everything.
Yeah.
And the whole ported section goes into the trunk. And then the sealed section bolts to the ported section, and then the subs slip in, and that screws also through. And it's all supported, everything.
Okay.
Just got done tuning the port. Went through 2 amp swaps actually. I had 3 amps, 1 on each sub.
Okay.
And we ended up going with these.
Yep.
And it puts out a lot more power.
All right.
4 10s in the back deck.
Okay.
3 SAV2 12s.
Okay. Awesome. I love to hear it. Oh yeah, looks good, man. What's your bandwidth like on it?
It's tuned to like 48.
Okay.
So I had to do a port adjustment. I made the port bigger. I cut the whole middle section of the seat out.
Wow.
So my girl's phone doesn't steal me.
All right. Ratio 4?
Yeah.
Okay.
It gets loud. It's got a lot of vocals on like that one.
Okay.
Legacies, family, I ain't seen it like a plan. Go on the leg of my time. Many killers in the hands. Legacies, family, I ain't seen it. Then, watching it run. You nigga bullet your family. Killers understand me. I got broads in the London. Jesus go be in the front. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van. Legacies. Family, I ain't seen it like a family. Going out like I'm a family. Only killers in the house. Legacy, family, I ain't seen it. Legacy. Scums, getting the rest of the legacies, family, I ain't seen it like a family. Going on like I'm a time, when the killers on the hills, legacies, family, I ain't seen it. I just done, sell it all. Lean on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to the county. You nigga bullet, you panic. The killers understand me. I got broads in the London. Jesus the beat in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van. Legacy, family. I can see that like a family. Going out like a time. When the killers on the hands. Legacy, family. Legacy, family. Legacy, I can see that like a family. Going out like a time. When the killers on the hands. Legacy, family. Legacy, family. Legacy.
It feels like AC coming out of the box too a little bit.
Yeah, it's got a lot of force.
Yeah.
The box is very efficient.
Yes, sir.
The way he designed it, it's like a true 2-to-1 box.
2-to-1 ratio 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you. Thank you for showing me, man. Looks good.
Thanks.
You have a good day. Credit cards and scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacy, family.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.